morning, guys. Saving with Shay, and I am here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. So I guess I'm back in Ibotta's Erases because I did get a midweek. I need 10 offers for $5, which is really freaking awesome. And then as far as the rock and roll one, I'm 40 in towards my 95. So as far as today, we're just gonna knock out what we need to knock out. If you're new here, this is your first time seeing this lovely face, definitely take a second and subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button, support your girl. It's so funny, really quick, my dad was like, dang, this is my first time seeing you wearing clothes, because you know your girl live in freaking exercise clothes. Like, I go to the gym, work out, come home, take a shower, and put back on leggings and tanks. And so he was like, this is my first time seeing you wear regular clothes. Like, I actually have on jeans today. And so yeah, but other than that, you guys, there's really nothing much I want to add as far as this intro. I have been having issues cashing out on, I want to say, my points for PayPal, so I have to put a ticket in to see what's up with that. I'm able to do Walmart gift cards, but I haven't been able to cash out via PayPal, which is what my preferred cash out is PayPal over anything, because it's cash. Y'all see me starting to sweat already? It's hot, y'all. It's 73 degrees, but I swear it's hotter than that. But other than that, y'all, we're gonna make this quick. We're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
All right, so the first thing I'm going to be grabbing again is the Lifesavers gummies. The sour ones are priced at $2.48. I have one more redemption left on Fetch Rewards. I'm going to grab one, getting back $1.30 there. There's also 50 cents back on Ibotta, and then I have a brand club survey for 55 cents as well, making that only 13 cents. The next, I was grabbing one of these. Why it almost knocked me the hell out. Shay down on aisle. What aisle is this? On the water aisle. So listen, it's on the Body Armor. It's on the Flash. It is priced at $2.38. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. Your total is going to come to $4.76, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. There's also, 2 brand club surveys, 55 cents and 50 cents, bringing these down to only 60 cents each. All right, I guess they don't have the Fancy Feast gems at this store either. I was for sure they had it. I'm gonna pop up some pictures, y'all, for the Fancy Feast gems. I mentioned in my last video that the offer on ShopMe and Alexa is working now. So you're gonna grab 2, priced at $2.48. You'll pay $4.96. You'll get back $2.48 on Ibotta, $1 on ShopMe, $1 on Swagbucks. There's also a 55-cent brand club survey, so it'll make it a 7-cent moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Suave. It's on the Daily Clear Find. It's priced at $1.94. You want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $3.88, getting back 75 cents for buying 2 on Ibotta, 75 cents for buying 2 on ShopMe, 75 cents for buying 2 on Swagbucks. I also have 2 brand club surveys, 55 cents and 50 cents, bringing them down to only 29 cents each. All right, so next up is the Tylenol. So my store is completely out of the ones that are priced at $1.88. They're on the regular aisle. So I'm going to grab the ones here priced at $2.23 in the trial section. Getting back $2 on Ibotta. I think I might have another brand club survey. I'll have to check, but it makes it 23 cents, which is not bad. Limit of 3. So I went ahead and grabbed 3 on one receipt for Ibotta, another 3 on a separate receipt for Walmart cash, making them all a really awesome deal. I also grabbed the first aid kit right here, which is priced at $2.48. There is a $1 rebate on Ibotta. There's also a 10-cent any first aid as well. And then a 55-cent brand club, so I'll be bringing that down to only 83 cents. All right, so this next deal is going to be on the Nivea creams. I saw someone post this on, actually I think I saw a few people post this on Instagram. They are priced at $1.38. I was really hoping that they was going to have these in the trial section, so I didn't have to wait for them to unlock the case. Last time I came here, it wasn't locked up. So it's weird how the stores are like going between locking it up, then they unlock it, then they lock it back up. And so anyway, so I'm grabbing one at, well, let's just be honest. I'm gonna grab one. But so you're gonna grab one at $1.38. This is working for the offer on ShopMe as well as Alexa. It's also on the sister apps too, Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, and Tada too, making it a 62-cent moneymaker. And so I'm gonna grab 4 of them. I'll probably do Shop Me and Swagbucks and Alexa and My Points, and then do the other two for Inbox and Tada. Making this a nice little money maker. So yeah. So this is the last deal. We're over here on the CoverGirl aisle. Um, so I'm gonna grab the foundation. Some of these are on clearance. Always make sure you flip this thing up so you get to see which ones are on clearance since they don't put them all in the front. And so you can grab one at $4. You're gonna get back and these two. So you're gonna grab one at $4, getting back $3 on Shop Me and $2 on Ibotta. So to make it a dollar moneymaker. And I'm also gonna be. Did I really almost forget to get some more ham? So I'm gonna do this deal on the Sara Lee ham again. I've been getting the Black Forest, which I really, really like, with eggs in the morning. It's bomb. So last time I did this deal, it did go into review on My Points, but it did clear. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it again. It's priced at $8.47 per pound. We're gonna get as close to that as we can. And then getting back 50 cents for a survey on Brand Club. So it'll make it like less than $2, which is so awesome. I don't know, y'all. I think wasn't this around the same last time? Let me see. It is 1.17. Yeah, it is more than it was last time. Last time it was 1.10. It's 1.17 pounds, which is still not bad. It makes it 341 for this, which is not bad. And I got them sliced thinner this time, which is, again, it's not bad. Y'all see my oranges. Look. Am I weird? Because whenever I have a sweet tooth, I eat an orange. I have a lot of sweet tooth, let me tell you. But anyways, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for today. Doesn't it just like so cute? Look at you, little guy. It's small, but it's okay. It's all right. Because we gonna still hit that big bonus when we need to, right? Everything here worked out good. I did do Rockstar at Food for Less. They're $1. Same deal as last week. Hopefully the sale resets. That will be awesome. So I did that 4 times at Food for Less. I did the bubbly burst again. One of you guys said, try the peach mango. It's good. And oh my gosh, it is good. But I still like the sparkling ice better. But that one is good. And so that's why I got 2 of those. So look, I did 4 on separate transactions. Submitted 1 receipt to Shop Me, in which it went straight through, and Swagbucks is in review. I submitted the second one to Alexa. It went straight through. On My Points is in review. And then the last 2 I did on separate transactions, and I did 1 to Inbox. It went straight through. And ta-da, it went straight through. So I'm waiting for 2 of them to clear Swagbucks and My Points. But everywhere else, it went through. So 2 were a $2.62 moneymaker, and 2 were a 62-cent moneymaker on that. With the Fancy Feast, now, y'all know early on, this wasn't scanning for Shop Me. I had to put a ticket in. I did get credit, but since I still had it available to do, I tried it. It didn't go through. Now, normally with the sister apps, if they have to correct your ticket and they do give you credit and the item is still available to do, usually you can still do it. But for Shop Me, I didn't. Otherwise, I would have submitted that on Alexa. All right. As you can see, we did the total. We did 3 on separate transactions, just like I did in my last haul. 3 for Walmart Rewards and 3 for Ibotta. And then I think that's basically it. Y'all saw the ham that I got. That went into review as well on Inbox dollars. And so I'm going to try to make this quick since it's not a whole lot to talk about. Other than that, you guys, everything you see here retails $64.13. The sales tax was $1.70. And then we walk away with $21.33 from Ibotta. Aisles is $20. Inbox dollars is $8. Alexa is $5. Brand Club is $4.25. My Points $2.13. Swagbucks $2. And ta-da is $2. So we get back a total of $64.71. It makes it all free plus 58 cents, you guys. So it's a small little money maker. I ain't complaining though. I'm really not. Other than that, you guys, what else? I'll have my April spending video up for you guys tomorrow. Hi, what's your emoji, bug? Huh?
Okay. Come share with us your emoji.
A ladybug and the color orange emoji. If there's no color orange, then just the fruit orange.
An orange?
Yeah.
So an orange and a ladybug emoji. If you made it to the end of the video.
We saw a ladybug today.
Huh?
We saw a ladybug today.
What, at school?
Yeah.
Cool, because he saw a ladybug at school. So why do you want to pick an orange? Because we bought oranges today? Oranges are expensive, y'all. Joseph was like, that's because they're not in season. I was like, oh, they like $1 a piece. Like, I'm trying to save money and be healthy too. I'm about to find a healthier, lower costing snack besides $1 orange. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it to the end, an orange emoji and a ladybug emoji. And we will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.